we've made many a video about Crucial's fantastic range of memory and storage. As one of the world's largest manufacturers in the world, they have a solution for everybody and at a reasonable price. In this video though, we're going to take a look at Crucial's P5 Plus. Now, eagle-eyed viewers will probably be saying, but Nick, you've already made a video about this awesome Gen 4 M.2 NVMe SSD, and you'd be right. But this time around, Crucial have added a heatsink of their own. Previously, you had to add one to make it compatible with PlayStation 5, but they have made that process even easier to expand your storage with this. It's a nifty little product, so let's remind ourselves of the specs. Firstly, it boasts super fast sequential read speeds of up to 6,600 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 5,000 megabytes per second. It's been specifically designed for intensive workloads, high quality creative content and hardcore gaming. The P5 Plus is also backward compatible with most Gen 3 systems. It comes available in 1 or 2 terabyte capacities. The Crucial P5 Plus includes advanced features like full hardware-based encryption, dynamic write acceleration and adaptive thermal protection to keep your data safe whilst enhancing system reliability, and you get a 3-year warranty. Now, for PS5 owners who want to easily expand their storage for their games library, as well as play your favourite games quickly and directly from the drive itself, the P5 Plus is a great choice. And now with the added heatsink, it's even easier to expand your PS5 storage. It fully matches PlayStation's requirement for upgrading the internal storage, and in fact, it exceeds Sony's recommended minimum speeds by a whopping 20%. So let's show you how to install this in your PS5. First step, put something soft down to lay your console onto. We've used a mouse mat. Then you remove the back panel. Now this part can actually be quite tricky and fiddly, but a top tip that we found is to find the corner opposite to the PlayStation logo on the front. Gently pull up and slide back at the same time, revealing the internal section of the PlayStation. Then you unscrew the SSD cover and the small set screw, which should be in one of the holes, and make sure the metal riser is at 80 for your P5 Plus. Then insert the M.2 at a slight angle and you should hear a gentle click. Now secure M.2 into place by putting the set screw in at 80 and replace the cover by screwing back into place. Replace the back panel and you should be good to go. Now, when you first load up your PlayStation with a new SSD, the system will ask you to format the M.2. Once you've formatted it, you have a PS5 with added storage thanks to Crucial's P5 Plus drive. And as we've hopefully demonstrated, it's super easy to do. Now, another reason that we love Crucial's memory is the fantastic results that you can actually achieve in real-world situations and not just on paper. If you didn't catch our earlier video, let's take another look at the loading speeds we achieved with the P5 Plus with added heatsink. In Horizon Forbidden West, it took just 9.91 seconds for the game to load ready to play. Then we transferred the game from the internal memory to the P5 Plus, which took just 1 minute 48. And from there, we loaded up the same game, which took 10.78 seconds to load. Less than a second's difference from the load time on the PS5's internal memory, which really wasn't noticeable at all, particularly when you think of all the extra space that you've gained to store your games library. We've also made a video benchmarking the P5 Plus further, which is linked in the description below for you, and that also includes results for Crucial's previous Gen 3 drives, the P5 and P3 and the P3 Plus, if you're interested in finding out more about those. You can, of course, get your new Crucial P5 Plus drive complete with heatsink at scan.co.uk right now, as well as check out the full range of Crucial products.